Hi, this is Alex with the Panatrack Solution Consulting Team, and today we're going to review the Create Production transaction for manufacturing on PanatrackerGP for Dynamics GP users. The Create Production transaction on PanatrackerGP, or as it's known, the MO receipt transaction within manufacturing, is the final step in the process when an organization recognizes its finished goods as components in their inventory. While this has historically been a process of recording on paper and manual entry, or automated with very few checks and balances, Panatrack replaces the guesses and scribbles with real-time data capture. From item, quantity, lot, and serial details down to labels, Panatracker GP covers the spread with the Create Production transaction. The Panatrack Create Production transaction captures MO receipt information in real time on the scanner. The application provides users with the ability to capture partial or full MO receipts, as well as record any other item details that may be required, such as lot or serial numbers and their associated attributes. This transaction can also automatically print item barcode labels for the produced goods. Alongside Dynamics GP, this transaction also supports Vicinity and Horizon's manufacturing modules. The Create Production transaction allows a user first to select the work order which they will be producing inventory for. This can be done through the Panatrack lookup list or through a barcode scan. Once that's populated, the to site will populate based on the work order as it's been configured in your manufacturing solution, as will the finished good item. In a multi-bin environment, our user is required to enter the receive to bin. This is the bin location within the site where the finished goods will reside. We will use a barcode scan and scan our finished good bin location. Once that's been entered, our user can begin to enter the quantity of items that are being produced for this run. In our case, we will use 100, and Panatrack has now created the MO receipt for 100 of those 1,000 items that were to be produced. When we move through and we get back down to our quantity field, you'll note that the quantity to produce has reduced from 1,000 to 900. As the user moves through and enters quantities, that number will continue to reduce until there are no more finished good inventory items to issue to that manufacturing order. Should label printing be required, that can be configured to be an automated part of the Panatrack process. Completed transactions are processed in the manufacturing module, and the items are made available within GP inventory. You can use the manufacturing order receipt inquiry detail window to view detailed information about a manufacturing order receipt, including the receipt number, date, and quantity, as well as information about the finished good like serial and lot data, if included. Uses of the Create Production transaction Use of the Create Production transaction means that the paperwork and time will no longer impede the receipt of finished goods. With real-time transaction capture, your inventory is now managed and updated right from the floor. Our application and transactions are very configurable, ensuring that we can support nearly any workflow process. This includes the ability to capture those serial and lot details, and additional user-defined fields can be configured as needed. We look forward to working with your team to improve your manufacturing processes. Please contact us by email, phone, or the Contact Us form on our website, www.panatrack.com.